Can space have a soundtrack? The answer might surprise you. So, does space have a sound? Technically no. Space is a vacuum, and sound needs air to travel. But there's a twist. Scientists have discovered that celestial bodies like stars and black holes create vibrations. Think of them as cosmic music makers. NASA has even turned these vibrations into sound waves we can hear. It's like tuning into the universe's greatest hits. So next time you gaze at the stars, imagine the silent symphony playing just for you. Cool, right?